Hey, it's Sarah with Loaves and Dishes, and in today's video, I am going to be showing you how to make a Vietnamese iced coffee. And just an FYI, this is not actually a coffee. It's a latte because I prefer espresso over coffee. But the basic recipe is that you use coffee or espresso. You add sweetened condensed milk and a little cinnamon if you want, and then you mix it together. And if you're just using coffee, you probably wouldn't need to add any half and half, but since I'm using espresso, I'm going to add a little half and half. This is just my take on this drink. I am not Vietnamese and I don't even have the right coffee maker, but there is a local coffee shop near me that makes this and I really love it. And so I wanted to share the recipe with you all. So basically, I'm just showing you how I prep for my espresso. My puck wasn't the greatest on this one because I did get a little bit of splatter, which you'll see in a minute. But yeah, so anyway, so this is just my take on this recipe. I really love it. It's a really fun way to have a coffee, and it's easy to make at home and it tastes really, really good. And there are other kinds of Vietnamese coffees. There's one where they use egg, and make like a custard in the drink. So they're really doing some pretty cool stuff with coffee. But so I've got my puck prep done, and now I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of sweetened condensed milk to the cup that I'm going to brew my espresso into. I just find that this helps the sweetened condensed milk and the espresso mix better, because the espresso is hot and it just kind of helps like melt the sweetened condensed milk and it gets dispersed throughout the drink better. I also added a little sprinkle of cinnamon. You don't have to put that in. I just like a little cinnamon in my coffee. And so now I'm going to brew my espresso. I am really excited. I found this Breville Barista espresso machine for a really great deal on Facebook Marketplace. These machines are sometimes $700 or $800 new, and I just didn't want to pay that. But I found someone selling one on Facebook Marketplace for half the price. And so I jumped on it. And I'm really glad that I did. I really, really like it. I think that if you're not somebody who cares about espresso or like doesn't want to do this kind of thing at home, you don't need one that's this expensive. But I really like making my coffee at home, and I had an Espresso for a long time, and I really, really enjoyed that. But I wanted to use the coffee that they use at my local coffee shop that I really love, which, by the way, it's a great coffee. It's the brand Case, and the flavor that I use is called Epiphany, and it is the best coffee I've ever had. So anyway, so I got this fancy machine, and I wanted to share this recipe with you all. I hope you will check out loavesanddishes.net for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.